Established in 1977, Mountop Precision Industrial Company Limited began by providing heat treatment for high-speed steel and steel molds. In 1978, it was actively involved in research and development and the established tool factory to produce cold and hot forging punches. In keeping with current trends toward automation, Mountop Precision has continually upgraded its product's precision and aggressively produced smaller, shorter, thinner, and lighter vane products. In order to supply products reaching the highest standard of micro-tolerances and upgrades its manufacturing facilities, Mountop Precision has imported equipment and instruments from Switzerland, Europe, and Japan to become a leading supplier of hydraulic pump vanes and rotary compressor vanes. Annual outputs are approaching 40 million units. Mountop Precision takes consistent quality, consistent innovation as its guiding principle. By continually pursuing innovations in research and development and introducing the latest technology and equipment, Mountop Precision was certified by SGS ISO TS 16949 2009, SGS ISO 9001 2008, achieving product control precision values of up to 1.7. Keeping good and consistent quality is the key to make the business development sustainable, and also the attitude of every team member. Mountop Precision believes that employees are the most valuable asset. Based on the basic technique, on-the-job training is provided regularly. This also fulfills the need of staff's self-actualization. Good organization, training, and staff welfare are foundations of Mountop's development. Vanes are the crystallization of precision industry. Under strict quality control, standard procedure is followed in every manufacturing process, executed by fully skilled staff. Every process is under strict control to ensure the precision of each of Mountop's products with quality you can trust. Products: Rotary Compressor Pump Vane, suitable for air conditioners, dehumidifiers, refrigerators, and heat pump. V&VQ Series Intra Vane, V Series, suitable for plastic machines, injection molding machines. VQ Series, suitable for large output machines such as excavators and die casting machines. Denison Hollow Vane, suitable for concrete mixing machines, metal press machines, and cargo ships. Hydraulic Pump Vane, suitable for centerless grinding machines, CNC lathe machines, special purpose machines, and diesel engines. Power Steering Pump Vane, suitable for engines of luxury cars and trucks. Motor Vane, suitable for heavy-duty power, low-speed, high-torque motors. Excellent products are provided for domestic and overseas well-known air conditioning compressor and hydraulic pump manufacturers. And the overseas markets include Japan, Korea, India, Thailand, Mainland China, Southeast Asia, the United States, North America, Canada, the European countries, as well as others. By attending international exhibitions, Mountop makes itself available to directly contact with customers to provide more competitive products, as well as more rapid and convenient services. Integrity is Mountop's mission. Efficiency is what Mountop works for. Service is Mountop's principle to stand for. Going beyond the limits is the ultimate goal of all the staff. Mountop would like to brighten the world by its Made in Taiwan product.